Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one-stop to travel, study, work and settle abroad. So today we are talking about Singapore, and there are few points that you guys should know about the Singapore visa. Like how much time does it take for the Singapore visa to be processed? What is the best visa for Singapore? And is Singapore actually giving work visa now? So how much time does a Singapore visa actually take? Well, it takes up to 4 to 8 months for the Singapore visa to be processed, excluding the public holidays and the weekends, and in some cases it might take a bit longer. The next important question is Singapore giving work visa now? Well, there's good news, and that's yes. Eligible professionals and skilled workers can actually sponsor their families to live in Singapore and work there, but under special work passes. For the majority of Singapore's work permit or work pass, your employer or employment agent in Singapore must do the entire application process. Which visa is best for Singapore? Well, the EP, Employment Pass, is the main Singapore work visa issued to foreign professional employees, managers, owners, directors of the companies in Singapore. This permit is for foreign professionals in managerial, executive, and specialized jobs. What is Singapore's basic salary? Well, Singapore's median gross monthly salary would be around 4,680 Singapore dollars, and there is no legally mandated minimum wage. Well, here's another question, which is it possible to hire skilled employees close to the minimum wage? Well, the answer to that is that there is no legally mandated minimum wage in Singapore. Well, what is the new visa type in Singapore? Here is a list of work permit and visa guide for Singapore in 2024. So for the entry pass, personalized and employment pass, you need at least a bachelor's degree. For the S pass, you need a degree, diploma or technical certificates. And for the work permit, there is no as such requirement. So these were some good updates about Singapore, and for more such updates, stay tuned because we are here to guide you to travel, work, study and settle abroad. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such updates.